Come back. Hello. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your motorcycle wheel bearings. Let's get to it. Before I begin, don't forget your protection. So, let's get started here. First, let's go through some tools. You're going to need some kind of punch, something that can grab the inside of the bearing. You're going to need an assortment of hammers. I have 2. And some kind of socket or something that can fit over the outside edge of the bearing. First, let's remove these things. To remove these wheel bearings, we're going to remove the opposite sides actually. So, to start, you take your punch or similar tool, put it through the hole until it hits the inside of the opposite bearing. And now, you can start hammering out the bearing. As you will see, this will start to pop out on the other side. There's also a centerpiece here that also comes out. Don't forget to put that back in. Now, just do the exact same thing on the other side. Just like that. Congratulations on removing your first wheel bearing. Now, before getting too greedy, we need to clean inside of here before putting the new wheel bearings in. So, let's give it a good clean. Whoa, wait. We can't do that on YouTube. Let's use brake clean instead. Now that it's all nice and clean in there, you can go ahead and install your brand new bearings. Take them out of the package. Make sure they actually work. Good. Now, we can begin by putting these in as even as possible. And then, we take our soft mallet and just tap around the edges. If that doesn't seem to work, you can either grab, not a rag, you can either grab your punch of some sort or your socket, place it around the outside of the bearing. Be careful not to hit this plastic seal right here. Try to go around evenly as possible. And you can just go until the bearing doesn't want to go anymore. Good. Now we could flip the tire to the other side. Before putting the other bearing on, don't forget your dowel. Slide that in. Take your other bearing out. And go ahead and install it the exact same way as your other one. And hit the bearing in until the sound pitch changes. There it is. Good. Congratulations on changing your very first set of wheel bearings. Now, the rear will be the exact same, except you'll have different size bearings, and the middle dowel piece will also be different. But that's all. Stay tuned for more. I'll see you next time.